Hello dear students, today we will learn about active and passive voice. So let us start. So first of all, let's have a look at active voice. We will understand with the help of examples. Dear students, there are two kinds of voice. One is active and another is passive voice. So sentence can be said in two voices like one in active and another in passive. So let us understand with the help of example what are active voice. So active voice, I help you. Here you can see I help you. Where this, now I am writing this sentence in another way. You, first you are helped by me. So here we can see these both sentences are conveying the same message, but their written methods are different. This one is the active and this one is the passive. Now here we can see I is a subject here. It is a subject. And then help. Help is a verb here. And what is you? You is an object here. So you is an object, subject, verb and object. Now we will see the main point is that who is doing the action? Is you? Is you doing the action? No, you is not doing the action. Even it is you. I am doing the action. So whenever subject is doing the action, so one is doing the action and next is receiving the action. I is doing the action and you is receiving the action, and the word which receives the action, that is known as an object. But when we change, we can write in this manner. This is also correct. So what we have to do, when we change active voice into passive voice, we always change the object into subject. So first of all we will write you, and what we use, and in we use always which helping verb we use, we always are, and then third form of verb helped, and then by, and I will change into object me. So we can write the sentence in two ways. One is active voice and another is passive voice. And the main point is that the subject in this passive voice, the subject doesn't do any work. सब्जेक्ट कोई वर्क नहीं करता, इवन इसमें ऑब्जेक्ट वर्क करता है. देख लीजिए आप चाहे तो. यू आर हेल्प्ड बाय मी. हेल्प किसने की? मैंने की. तो यहाँ पे जो ऑब्जेक्ट है ये वर्क करता है और जो सब्जेक्ट है वो इसे रिसीव करता है. नाउ सब्जेक्ट इज द रिसीवर हेयर. In passive voice, subject is the receiver. And one more thing I want to say, in passive, whenever we change active into passive, what we can use? Active. We always use to be form of verb. Which verb? To be. To be form. To be form means we use always is, am, are, is, am, are. They are known as helping verb. And was, were, be and been, they are also part of passive voice, or they are also helping verb, we can say. They are also be form of verb. We always use by before the object. We always use by, but every time it is not necessary. Sometimes there is no need of any object. For example, the thief was caught. When the thief was caught. Here the police, here we know, everyone knows that who can catch the thief? Only a police. So sometimes there is no need of by and there is no need of any object when the verb is important than an object. Now next example, Tom takes. Here it will be takes 2 eggs a day. So Tom takes. So what we will write? First of all we will write, we will see it is subject, it is verb, and it is an object. So first of all we will write an object in the beginning. eggs. Eggs. So what we will write with eggs? Is or are? We will write are because they are plural. Are. Then taken. One more thing now I will discuss with you. Taken by Tom a day. These things we will keep separate. We will just first of all we will focus on this, and then we will write these things. Now here I have written eggs are taken by Tom a day. So here I have written taken, and here I have written helped. So always in the passive voice, whenever we change active into passive voice, we always use passive. In passive voice, we always use third form of the verb whenever we change active into passive voice. Let us look at the next example. She looks after the plants. So first of all, as usual, what we will do? First of all, we will write plants here. Plants. Plants. So what we will write? Plants. They are plural. So why we will write are, and also we will write looked. We will use third form of the verb after. Looked after by. She की जगह object में क्या आ जाएगा? By her. We will use in the object form, not she. We will not use she here. Now in this sentence I want to discuss that always whenever we want to change active into passive voice, one thing is also very important, that is tense. We have to look that which tense is used in the active voice. Which tense? Here looks. We have discussed that we always use s or es in the present tense. So according to the present tense, this helping verb or be form of the verb we will write. Now Simi won a competition. So here first of all, as in the previous sentence I have told you that what you have to write. You have to see that which tense is this. According to the tense, passive voice will change. So first of all we will write a competition. A competition. These example I am discussing all the rules with you with all of you. So now Simi won here we will see it is past tense. So according to past tense we will use the helping verb here. Okay, so a competition was won by her. So what we will write was according to this subject also, and also we will write was according to this tense also. This tense is past, so we have used past verb here, that is was. Now last but not least I want to say only 8 tenses can be changed into passive voice. सिर्फ 8 tenses ही हम passive voice में change कर सकते हैं. अब जो exceptions है future continuous tense and the perfect continuous tense have no passive forms. जो perfect जिनके साथ have had लगता है उनके वो और future continuous tense they don't have passive forms. Thank you for watching the video.